Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I just want to show you this package that I got from Amazon. So this is not a sponsored video, I just bought it for myself since I really wanted this for so long now. So yeah, this is the creepy looking silicone hand practice. I got this one from Amazon. It was actually on sale, not like super duper sale. I just got a $10 coupon discount. So this package comes with a tip. I believe this is the one you're going to put or attach to the nail, and it also comes with, of course, the manual. So yeah, I know it looks creepy, but they come in different skin tones. You can also choose if left or right hand, and they also come in a full hand, and that one is like a half, and it also comes with feet. So all of the details are in this manual. It also says here how you put a glue and how you remove it by soaking it in acetone. So this is a very nice and informative manual. So I also got this one. This is a lazy bracket cell phone holder, but it actually serves as a holder for the hand. So before we go with that, I'm just going to show you how realistic this hand is. What I love about this is that you can fold it. The fingers are poseable as well. I really want the one from Red Iguana, but it is a bit expensive. It is $163 with tax. So I think it's just too much for me. So I just got this one. And look at this, you guys. It is really realistic. It has veins and fingerprints, and yeah, I love the details. I actually love how realistic this hand is. So I just wish that I got a darker skin tone, because this one is number 1, this one is the lightest. I should have gotten the number 2 or number 3, but yeah, I still love it. And you can actually stand it like this and do your application in this way. So I think it is really very versatile. So moving on to the holder. This one is a cell phone holder, and it retails for, I think, $10, and you can clip it at the end part of the hand, and I can just clamp it to my desk. You can just hold it with your hand. Both actually are okay. So I already put the tips. It's actually not yet glued. I am going to show you how to glue it, and I am just wiping off the nail bed with some alcohol. Make sure that everything is clean before we apply the tip. So I will be using this Gorilla Glue. This one is the gel form. So I'm just going to put some glue in the middle part of the tip. Make sure that you don't put too much, because it will, I think I actually put too much. Anyways, I am just going to wipe off any excess glue later. So I am now inserting the tip and making sure that I don't press too much so that the glue won't squeeze out. So as you can see, there are some glue, so I'm just going to wipe it off immediately with a wet wipes so that it won't dry to the silicone hand itself. So I am also just holding my finger and applying a little bit of pressure and give it a time to adhere. So actually, Carole Annette was super kind enough to teach me how to do this process. Since I really don't have any idea how to do this, she guided me and sent me a lot of videos, and yeah, super thanks to her. I will be putting her channel link in the description box, so you can also check her out. And you guys, she's amazing. I love her. So this is how it looks like. It is now fully dry, and I am just going to repeat the same process to all of this nail. And yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I will be back. So this is after I applied all the tips, so I am just going to trim the length of the tips and cut it using a nail cutter. And after that, I'm just going to use a hand file to remove the ridges and to further shape and file the tips. Okay, so now that the tips are nice and intact, I am just going to show you how I will be doing nails or manicure with this hand. So I will be putting a full covered tip on top of the glued tips that I put a while ago, and we'll be using a double-sided tape to adhere it. So it actually looks a lot better if I will use a clear double-sided tape. I am still looking for that, but for now this is what I'm going to use. So Carol again taught me this. She said it is really hard to practice if the tips underneath are not glued. So the tendency is that it will slip out while you are practicing. So this double-sided tape will serve as a peel base, so I can just remove the full cover tape when I am done without ruining the base tape that we glued. So now I am just applying a gel color to this nail, and it actually is super easy to use, and it really feels like I am painting in a real hand or nails. This is actually amazing. So yeah, I actually highly recommend this one. The only thing that I don't like about this hand is that the cuticle area or the cuticles are super thin. So you want to be careful with that part. Nonetheless, everything is perfect to me. So I am going to update you guys, and you will be seeing this hand in my video. So I am really excited. So I already cured everything, and I am going to show you how to remove the full cover tips. You just have to be super careful when doing this one. So gently remove or use the cuticle pusher to help you remove the tip, and then there it goes. It's super easy to remove, and you can actually apply another tip and start a new design again. So I am really loving this hand. I actually bought this one because I want to practice acrylic. So I forgot to tell you that the glued tips, you can remove that by soaking it in the acetone. So yeah, I will be updating you guys about the durability of this hand, and I will be putting the link of this product in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.